If you have one egg, some flour, and a few simple ingredients at home, you have to try these delicious homemade fried cookies. They're beautifully golden and crispy on the outside with a soft, sweet bite inside. Let's get started. Into a mixing bowl, crack 1 egg. Add 1/4 cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Now mix everything together really well. Take your time with this step because we want the sugar to dissolve as much as possible. Keep whisking until the mixture looks smooth and well combined. The vanilla gives our cookies a lovely aroma. Now place a strainer over the bowl. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of custard powder, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Sift everything directly into the egg mixture. Sifting is a simple step, but it really helps remove any lumps and makes it much easier to combine the ingredients evenly. Now start mixing everything together. Don't rush here. Continue mixing and bringing the ingredients together until you have a smooth, soft cookie mixture that you can easily shape. And now comes the fun part, shaping our cookies. Take about 1 tablespoon of the mixture at a time and gently shape it into a small cookie. Try to keep the cookies similar in size so they cook evenly when we fry them. Once you have your cookie shape, take a knife and carefully make a simple pattern on top. You don't need anything fancy here. Just a few little lines can make homemade cookies look so much prettier. Now heat some oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the cookies into the pan one by one. Be gentle when adding them so they keep their beautiful shape. We're going to fry these on medium heat. This is important because if the heat is too high, the outside can brown too quickly while the inside still needs more time to cook. After a few minutes, carefully flip each cookie over. Let the other side cook for another few minutes, and then flip them again as needed. Keep an eye on that beautiful color. We're looking for an even golden brown finish on both sides. And just look at them now. They're turning wonderfully golden and looking so crispy. For this frying stage, keep the heat on medium and let the cookies fry slowly so they cook nicely all the way through. You'll notice them starting to puff slightly and turn a beautiful golden color. Flip them gently so both sides cook evenly. Just look at that gorgeous, crispy outside. Once your cookies are beautifully golden brown, carefully remove them from the oil and let any excess oil drain off. And our homemade fried cookies are ready. Golden, crispy, sweet, and made with such simple ingredients, and we didn't even need an oven. Serve them with a cup of tea, coffee, or just enjoy them as they are. If you enjoyed this easy recipe, like the video, share it with someone who loves homemade treats, and subscribe for more simple and delicious recipes. Enjoy!